Course.
Yeah, because she stares at the camera and then she won't usually smile at me.
Yeah.
Pee-wee, girly. My goodness. That's a ripe one. Can you say hi to your Grammy?
Hi.
Hi! Ready? Let's get your hand out. Oh, wait, that's not for you. No.
Hi.
Ready? Can you say
Hi.
hi, Grammy? Hi, Grammy. Should we lay you down and see if you'll smile?
Hi.
You see your face?
Yeah.
Cameron. Hey, you. Cameron. Hi. Can you talk? Can you talk? Yeah? What are you going to say? I know you want to talk.
Hey, Grandma, let's go play kitchen.
Something new.
You in that kitchen.
Who's this?
You're gonna be a chef.
Who's this little doll?
You're gonna be a cook.
Who is this? Can you hold her? Can you give her kisses? Mm. Here she comes. She's getting kisses. Here she comes. You like your doll, don't you? Is she your friend?